Let's talk about maintaining your big green egg. There's a couple ways to do that. We're going to start on the outside with the ceramics. You're going to use the ceramic cleaner that we have, and you're just going to spray it on the outside, and with a cloth or paper towel, you're going to rub it down and clean out the exterior of the egg. For the interior, we're going to use this grid cleaner, and this will help clean the grid on the inside, which again you can use with one of our diamond crusted brushes that we have here, and the polymer brushes. We have this one, and we also have the dual head polymer. Great for the pizza stones and convectors and things like that, alongside with the grid. We're also going to, if you notice, sometimes you get some stains that come out, very stubborn stains up at the top here. You can use this one right here, which is a great product that you can use to get those very stubborn stains off the top. Now we're going to move inside. We talked about the grid, but you also want to get the ash that's at the bottom. So you open up the draft door, you use your ash pan and your ash tool, and you start to scoop that out and get as much out as possible. You want to do that after every few cooks. You don't have to do it at every cook, but after a few cooks, you want to be able to clean all that out. So those are some of the things maintaining the inside and the outside of the egg. Another one on the outside is making sure that you have the right tools, a 1/2 inch and a 7/16 wrench, that you can tighten these bolts back here, tighten all these bolts, and along the side, your handle, all those. You want to do that at least once a year and make sure you have everything tightened. Same thing with your nest. You either have a hex or a Phillips head for the nest, the module nest, things like that, the carriers for the Mini and the Mini Max. Today we have it on a farm table, so we don't necessarily have to tighten anything up on this, but it's good to maintain and keep this surface clean as well. Inside, if you don't like cleaning out the ash as much, you can use the fire bowl, which you put your charcoal in. This sits down inside. That way, after you're done with your cook and the coals are all cooled down, you can take this out, go over top of your garbage can and shake all the ash out of it and then put it back in. That helps keep the inside very clean, which is great. So those are some of the tips and tricks on maintaining your big green egg. For more questions, you may visit our website, biggreenegg.com, or click some of the links below.